So for you to do this, you need to go to your TikTok. Just ensure that your TikTok app is updated. Okay, so once you're in your TikTok feed like this, then check the bottom right. You can see where we have inbox. So go ahead and click on inbox. So over here you get to see all the messages you've sent in the past. So I'll be showing you how you can now unsend a message on TikTok. So go ahead and open that message which you wish to unsend. So I'll click on this first one and open it. So I want to unsend this last message which I said I just messaged you. So place your finger on it till it brings out these options for you. Then you can see down here we have delete for all and we have delete for me. So ensure you click on delete for all, because that will ensure the message is deleted at that person's end and also at your own end. But if you click delete for me, it means it will only be deleted at your own end. Do you understand? So let me go ahead and click delete for all and get to that the message has been unsent. And that is basically how you go about unsending messages on TikTok. So I believe you got value. If you did, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.